Who doesn't like street food? Everybody does. And the greasier and the tastier, the better. Today, I'm gonna present you my take on a tropical street food, which is the tropical chimi. Which is a tropical burger, by the way. So for that, we're gonna have the following ingredients. We're gonna have two type of beef, ground beef. We're gonna have natural beef, and we're gonna have sirloin steak, ground sirloin steak for taste, and the natural beef for the fattiness. So we could have a nice combination there. So next, for the veggies, we're gonna have coleslaws. We're gonna make coleslaw. We're gonna have tomatoes, orange, onions, garlic, cilantro, Cubanella peppers, oregano, Worcestershire sauce, mayo, ketchup, and French buns for the hamburgers. We're also gonna add for flavors just salt and pepper, because the flavors for this tropical burger will be on this particular sauce here, which is gonna be a mix with the Worcestershire sauce, orange, ketchup, and mayo. For the tropical seasoning, for the ground beef, for the tropical chimi, we're gonna have cilantro, Cubanella peppers, garlic, and oregano. To make the chimi marinated sauce, just cut the ingredients and blend it in a food processor with a little bit of olive oil. Just season the meat with a nice blended mixture there, marinated sauce for the tropical burger. Add it to the meat and then mix it well. See how green it's becoming? The taste all gonna be infused there in all that meat. That is gonna be incredible. If you want, you can add a little bit of salt now or later, however you prefer. Prefer to add it now, you don't have to worry about it later. Once it is all mixed, just leave it on the fridge until you're ready to make your patties. For the patties, you can make it by hand. Make it at least 1 inch thick all around. Try to make it the size of the same bun, so you could cover all the sizes, just like that. Look, just like that. Time up, so you could lock that all the flavors in there. Making another one, same size. Pamper like this all around. It's very easy. There you go. There you have. Just grab your burger and put it on top of the fire like that. You can use a flat top, or you can use a pan and a stove, or a little grill like this on top of the smoke, on top of the wood, burning wood, and just let it cook for about 5 minutes on each side. While that is cooking, we're gonna start by cutting the onion in big slices. Just cut the tip and cut it in big slices. I'm cutting this in big slices because I'm actually gonna cook the onions a little bit, so it could become a little bit soft, just like that, very thick. So followed by cutting the tomato same way, thick, not like the regular hamburgers, but thick, because once you cook them, it's just gonna become a little bit soft. So 2 slices for each burger, followed by doing your coleslaw. Just cut this in half and chop this finely. Don't chop it too thick because it's gonna be too hard to eat. So we're gonna flip our burger now that is being about 5 minutes cooking on this side. Do not ever press your burger down because it's just gonna squeeze all the juices out of the burger. You want to keep the juices inside the burger so it could keep your burger moist and soft in the inside. So we're gonna give it another 2 minutes here so it could be medium well inside when we're done. In order to do the coleslaw, just add it to a bowl, mix the Worcestershire sauce, with ketchup, mayo, and mix it well. Add the juice of an orange, half an orange in there for the acidity, and keep mixing well. Once it is all mixed, just add it on top of the coleslaw like this, so you can mix it there. Look, all the goodness, mayo, coleslaw. This is gonna be the topic to be on top of the tropical burger, just like that. This is the flavor right here. While the burgers are almost done, just cook the onions and your tomato, just for maybe 30 seconds on each side. Just until they become soft. These burgers are already done. Look, all the juices, how the juices are coming out. Still look very juicy because I never, push it down or anything. I just let it cook on their own juices inside. So these don't take long. It's just cook it a little bit on each side, maybe 30 seconds, or until they become soft, just like that. Look how pretty that looks there. You can try this recipe to show your friends or family how well you can elevate a simple street food to be gourmet. Once that you have the onions semi-cooked, just take it off the grill. Take the tomatoes too, that you can see they are very soft now, and semi-cook, because you don't want them to be fully cooked. You just want them on the tender side. Cook on the tender side. That's what you want, because you still wanna have that crunch on the tomato. Take your burgers off the grill too, because they don't need no more cooking. They're already done. Still, you can see the juices coming out. That's what you want. Now, get your buns and toast your bun a little bit in the inside, just like that. You just want them to be tough so it could hold your burger in place. To put the burger together, the chimi together, just put your bun on top, just like that. Add the tomato, cook onions, just like that, just like that, and this delicious coleslaw on top of the burger. Look how delicious that's becoming. Just look at that. Just look at that mountain of flavor. That mountain of flavor there that you can see. It's just a wonderful thing to eat. So, wonderful street burger. You can accompany this burger just with a wonderful beer and enjoy this wonderful recipe. If you want to actually see more recipes, just subscribe to our channel and enjoy it.